Here comes Devin.
No, I'll get it. I'll get it. Not with your hands.
You didn't break anything, did you?
I don't think so. Everything feels fine now.
You just... Dang, this is the worst spot right here.
Oh.
Yeah. Holy crap, man. What happened? Did you hit the pothole? Is that what it was, the man cover?
I don't know.
Oh, let me see your left hand.
It's both my hands.
It's his arm, too.
I need it.
Yeah, can you grab the bike? I got him. Let's walk through the house. This is awkward.
Okay, good. You got my who has my sunglasses?
I got him.